guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a quick tip if you're moving into a new place and you don't know where to store your shoes, if you don't have a shoe rack and if you don't have enough money to buy any more stuff. We have been in the UK since the 24th of March, and that was when everything was closed down. We were lucky that one hotel took us, that was in the Holiday Inn Express in Colchester. Most hotels weren't taking any guests. Some were taking key workers, but they weren't taking any guests. So we would have actually been on the street if that hotel wouldn't have taken us. So that was lucky. We had a little rice cooker with us, but apart from that, we really started from scratch. We have just some cutlery, but nothing else. Just our luggages, our clothes, but nothing else, no furniture. And then the last 2 months after that hotel stay, we stayed in a serviced apartment here in Sheffield. And there we had limited resources, but we had some stuff available. And now we've moved into another apartment for 3 months only, because it is really hard to find an apartment. I don't know how people can, honestly, I don't know how they can go into, a lot of them do video viewings. I don't know how you could rent a place without having seen it. But anyway, this place, fortunately, we were able to see, and it has some furniture in it, so that is good, so we don't have to buy too much. But what it doesn't have is a shoe rack, so I will show you now a quick hack on what I've done with our shoes. So now let's have a look. So here you go. Here's the shoes. These boxes we collected the whole time, and so it's really simple. Just put the strongest box at the bottom, and then you can put the shoes in there, and then the lighter ones at the top. You can also support a box by putting a smaller box in it. So here you can see, very easy, simple hack. And I hope if you're moving to a new place and you need that you will find this helpful. Please click like and follow us here. Click subscribe. And just before I end it, I just want to mention, make sure you don't have it too close to the wall, so it doesn't leave any marks. It shouldn't leave it anyway. But anyway, so that's just this quick hack.